Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to do your oil change on a Jeep Cherokee, and this is a limited X, and it is four-wheel drive. So this thing is a beauty, very nice. So I actually did the oil change already. I'm just going to show you real quick. I took this cover off. You gotta take this off. And then on the other one, there's a screw that you need to remove right here. And then you just pull up the whole thing. And over here is your filter right here. Let me get some light so you can see. All right. Right here. That's your oil filter. You remove that and then you pull up the filter, you change it, and you also change the O-ring that comes with the filter. You do that, and then you go down. Okay, it's kind of a little tight over here. Okay, here we go. As you can see, there's a bucket. I already did the oil change, and this is your oil pan right here. Right there. Yep. That's the plug right there. It's 13 millimeter, and this oil pan is really small. It's funny. Okay, guys, that's 13 millimeter. Move it, let the oil drain. Put that back on, and then you go up here. Okay, sorry guys. You come up here, you put your funnel here, and you add the oil. It takes about 5.7 quarts, and then you're good to go. And when you're done, just in case, pull the dipstick out, wipe it off, check the level. If it looks good, you're fine. If not, add a little bit more. And this is actually a 2019 Jeep Cherokee. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know on the comments, and I'll get back to you. All right, guys. See you in another video. Thank you.